been standing here for 20 minutes, and that train has been there for a good, I don't know, 20 minutes as well or something. It's been like almost half an hour since that train has been sitting there. I think they're doing a performance on the train, so could be the real priority why it's standing there. I think it's required to do that so that way the performers can like spend the rest of their time doing the performance, you know what I mean? So that's the reason why they're in the middle of the forest before heading to this section of the railroad in Fort Myers. Right now it's like around 9:22 or 9:22 or 23, and yet the train's still there. Yeah, we're in Lemon Street right now, so trying to get a good angle at it. So I don't know, guys. I think it will only be time when it's like 9:30 or something. I hate it when these freaking lenses do this to me, I swear. And yet, I had to take a number one twice, and even worse, there was no porta potties, so one of them I had to use a bottle. Okay, let's not get to any of that. It may sound too personal, but you get the concept. Or maybe if I could tell the difference from the trees that where the lights are just flashing onto, maybe you can tell it's moving. Also, sorry about the crunchy noises. I'm just sucking on a mint, an icebreaker. Yeah, I could tell from the glare. The train has completely stopped. Yeah, like I explained, they're doing their performance. I think that's what it is. And yet, the gate's still not down. Maybe the gate will also help to let us know that the train is starting to move, so. Wait, hold on, wait. Oh, did they just replace the... Oh my god. Yo, they actually replaced those gate lights with those LEDs. The train's moving. Oh crap. Hold up, I gotta put the camera down, I gotta get set up. Okay guys, so absolutely the train is definitely moving. I could see right over there. Yep, lights are flashing over there, the gate's completely down. Yeah, I think it's about time. These crossings right here should start activating in about a few minutes. Like starting from when the train touches to Dr. Ella Piper Way, Cranford, the street before us, and Lemon Street will activate at the same time. Give you a heads up. And when the train fully reaches Cranford, the MLK crossing will start to activate. And speaking of which, there goes the train horn. Wow, look at that. In about a few minutes, Palm Avenue and Dr. Ella Piper Way will start activating their signals. Speaking of activating, there it goes. Whoa. Look at that. Wow, I could literally hear them from here. I'm not joking, dude. That's intensively crazy. I can hear Palm Avenue and Dr. Ella Piper Way's bells from here. I swear that's crazy. Speaking of which, there it goes again. Oh my god, look at that. There goes the gates going up at Michigan Avenue with their new LEDs. Yep, that was totally LEDs right there. Wow, I didn't even realize they actually replaced the LEDs. I did not realize they specifically replaced the incandescent with LEDs. Sorry, I'm just talking like this. I'm more focused to the train. You know what I mean? But other than that, continue watching. Any second, these crossings will start activating. There's my fish right here. Oh, there it goes. Holy. Look at that. I can hear the bells now from the train. And there it goes. See, I told you they were incandescent. Those are totally incandescent, and so is the gate lights too. Look, you can even see the number sign too. Oh my god, it's gonna get even more louder by the time it reaches to this crossing. By the time MLK's bells start activating, I'm gonna run all the way over here. Oh, this is it. MLK's bells should start activating any minute now. You know it, what happens? Heck up. It has finished crossing transport. Oh, look at it. Hey, yo, it's heading to MLK Junior Boulevard right now. Yo, it's going pretty fast, dude. Wow. Look at that. Why dinner cars in total? Let's go! Yes! And there it goes. The signal shut it off at MLK Junior Boulevard now. Now there's finally no trains. You can totally tell. Well, that was it for this rail fanning today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry this was sorry this video was a little off. You know the reason why. But anyways, today's date is April 27th, 2024, and we'll see you next time. This is Jordan M signing out. Goodbye.